The world as we know it was shaped by one of history's greatest turning points, the Industrial Revolution. It began over 200 years ago, transforming how we work, live, and think. But where did it all start, and how did it evolve into the modern industrial age we see today? Our story begins in the late 1700s in Britain, a land rich in coal, iron, and ambition. Before this time, most people lived in rural villages, working as farmers or craftsmen. But everything began to change with a simple yet powerful idea: mechanization. The invention of the spinning jenny, the steam engine, and the power loom revolutionized production. Textiles, once woven by hand, could now be made faster and cheaper by machines. Coal fueled the engines, iron built the machines, and steam powered a new era of progress. By the early 1800s, the Industrial Revolution had spread across Europe and into North America. Railways and steamships shrank distances, connecting towns, countries, and continents like never before. Cities grew rapidly as people moved from the countryside to work in factories. But progress came at a cost. Pollution filled the skies, and harsh working conditions defined the lives of many laborers. Still, innovation surged ahead. Inventors like James Watt, George Stephenson, and Samuel Morse pushed the boundaries of what was possible. From locomotives to telegraphs, the world was moving faster every day. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries came the Second Industrial Revolution, a new wave of transformation powered by electricity, steel, and oil. Electric light brightened cities. The telephone connected voices across continents, and assembly lines made mass production possible. Companies like Ford and General Electric became symbols of a new industrial age, where machines didn't just work harder, they worked smarter. Fast forward to the mid-20th century. The rise of computers marked the beginning of the digital revolution. Transistors replaced steam engines. Data replaced coal. Factories became automated, and industries turned toward technology, robotics, and information systems. By the 21st century, we entered the Fourth Industrial Revolution, or Industry 4.0, a world of artificial intelligence, smart factories, and global connectivity. Now, machines communicate with machines, and the line between physical and digital innovation continues to blur. Today, we stand at the crossroads of progress and responsibility. The same revolution that once filled cities with smoke now drives efforts toward clean energy, sustainable production, and ethical technology. From steam power to solar panels, from iron wheels to intelligent algorithms, the Industrial Revolution continues, reshaping our world one invention at a time. The story of the Industrial Revolution isn't over. It's written every day, in every idea, every innovation, and every step toward a better, smarter, and more sustainable future.